In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva captions. If you're editing a short form video, a business promo, or an educational post in Canva, caption issues can slow everything down. Sometimes the subtitles are out of sync, filled with mistakes, or they do not appear at all. The good news is that Canva gives you built-in tools to fix this without having to type every line manually. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can get your captions looking accurate, readable, and ready for export. Start by opening your Canva video project from the home dashboard. Find the correct video in your recent projects and open it so the full editing timeline appears. Once you're inside the editor, click directly on the video clip in the bottom timeline. This is important because you want to make sure you're working with the correct media layer before adjusting captions. It also helps to move the playhead to the very beginning of the clip so everything starts from a clean point. If your project does not have captions yet, head over to the left side panel and open either Uploads or Apps, depending on what appears in your workspace. From there, search for the Captions or Subtitles tool. Choose the option that says something like Generate Captions or Auto Match Captions. After that, select the spoken language used in your video and start the generation process. Canva will then transcribe the audio automatically. This usually takes only a short moment, and it saves a huge amount of time compared to building subtitles by hand. Once the captions are generated, review them carefully. A transcript panel should appear on the left side, showing each caption line with its timing. Scroll through the text and look for spelling errors, missing punctuation, or words that were misheard. If you notice a mistake, click into that caption line and edit it manually. Canva updates the subtitle text right away so you can quickly clean up the transcript as you go. Next, make sure the captions are easy to read on screen. Click on one of the caption text boxes in the video preview to open the text formatting controls. Go into Effects and choose the background option. Adding a dark, slightly transparent background behind the text can make a big difference, especially if your video has bright or busy visuals. This helps improve readability and gives the captions a more polished, professional look. Before exporting, play the video back from start to finish and watch how the captions appear. Check that they match the speech naturally and stay easy to follow. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Set the file type to MP4 video, increase the resolution if needed, and leave the separate captions file option off if you want the captions